Driving into the unknown? Are you covered? When you set out on a journey, the road ahead can be unpredictable. Whether it's a foggy morning, a dusky evening, or a remote path, the uncertainties are endless. But one thing you can control is your preparedness. Hitting the open road is a freeing experience, but it comes with risks. Accidents happen. The thrill of adventure can quickly turn into a nightmare if you're not adequately protected. Imagine cruising along a scenic route only to be blindsided by an unexpected event. It's a stark reminder that the freedom of the open road comes with its own set of responsibilities. This essay will equip you with the knowledge to make smart choices about your car insurance. Understanding the intricacies of car insurance can be daunting, but it's essential for every driver. From reading through dense policy documents to discussing options with your partner, the process can be overwhelming. But fear not, we're here to break it down for you. Having the right coverage can provide financial security and peace of mind. Imagine the relief of knowing that, in the event of an accident, your family is protected. The right insurance policy can be a safety net, ensuring that you can focus on recovery and not on financial strain. We'll explore the essential components of car insurance and how to find the right balance between protection and affordability. It's not just about having insurance, it's about having the right insurance. We'll guide you through the maze of options, helping you understand what each component means and how it impacts your coverage. Driving without insurance or with insufficient coverage can have devastating consequences. Picture being pulled over by the police or finding yourself at the scene of an accident without adequate coverage. The financial and legal repercussions can be severe, leaving you vulnerable and stressed. From medical bills to legal fees, the costs associated with an accident can quickly escalate. The aftermath of an accident isn't just about repairing your car. Medical expenses, legal fees, and other costs can pile up, creating a financial burden that can be hard to bear. That's why it's crucial to understand your insurance needs and secure adequate coverage. Taking the time to review your policy and understand its terms can make all the difference. It's about being proactive and ensuring that you're not caught off guard when the unexpected happens. Let's delve into the specifics of different coverage types and how much you really need. From liability to comprehensive coverage, we'll break down each type and help you determine the right amount of coverage for your unique situation. Stay tuned as we navigate the world of car insurance together. Why car insurance matters, more than just a legal requirement. Car insurance is not just a piece of paper you need to drive legally, it's a crucial safety net. It protects you financially if you're in an accident. Imagine this: you cause an accident that injures another driver. Without liability insurance, you could be personally responsible for their medical bills, lost wages, and vehicle repairs. The right car insurance safeguards your savings and assets in such situations. It provides financial assistance for legal defense if you're sued. Liability insurance, protecting you when you're at fault. Liability insurance is a fundamental component of car insurance. It covers bodily injury and property damage you might cause to others in an accident where you are at fault. Most states have minimum liability requirements, but these are often not enough. It's recommended to have liability limits that significantly exceed your state's minimums to ensure adequate protection. Consider factors like your assets and potential future earnings when determining your ideal liability limits. Higher limits provide greater peace of mind knowing you're well protected in case of a serious accident. Collision versus comprehensive safeguarding your vehicle. Collision and comprehensive coverage protect your vehicle. Collision covers damages from accidents, while comprehensive covers non-collision incidents like theft, vandalism, or natural disasters. Whether to keep or drop these coverages depends on your car's value and your financial situation. If your car is older and its value is low, consider dropping collision and comprehensive coverage. The cost of coverage might outweigh the potential payout in case of an incident. However, if you have a newer car or rely heavily on your vehicle, keeping these coverages provides crucial financial protection. Section 5. Uninsured motorist coverage, shielding yourself from the unprotected. Uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage protects you if you're in an accident with a driver who doesn't have insurance or has insufficient coverage. Sadly, many drivers on the road are either uninsured or underinsured. This coverage helps cover your medical expenses and vehicle repairs if you're hit by such a driver. It's crucial to have this coverage to avoid being financially burdened by someone else's negligence. Make sure your uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage limits align with your liability limits for comprehensive protection. Section 6. Extra protection. The umbrella policy. An umbrella policy provides an extra layer of liability protection beyond your auto and home insurance policies. It kicks in when your underlying liability limits are exhausted. This is especially important for individuals with significant assets to protect. It provides coverage for lawsuits arising from accidents, libel, slander, and other personal liability claims. Consider an umbrella policy if you want an added layer of security and financial protection. It can provide peace of mind knowing you have comprehensive coverage in unexpected situations. Section 7. The shifting landscape, premium trends, and state regulations. Car insurance premiums are influenced by various factors including your driving history, location, age, and the type of car you drive. For instance, a clean driving record can significantly lower your premiums, while a history of accidents or traffic violations can cause them to spike. Similarly, urban areas with higher traffic density and accident rates often see higher premiums compared to rural areas. Age also plays a crucial role. Younger drivers typically face higher premiums due to their inexperience, while older drivers might see increases due to age-related risks. The type of car you drive, whether it's a high-end luxury vehicle or a standard sedan, also impacts your insurance costs. Recently, we've seen an upward trend in premiums due to factors like increased vehicle costs and a rise in risky driving behaviors. The cost of repairing or replacing vehicles has gone up, especially with the advent of advanced technology and safety features in modern cars. Additionally, risky driving behaviors such as distracted driving, speeding, and driving under the influence have contributed to more accidents, leading to higher claims and consequently, higher premiums. This trend is expected to continue as vehicles become more sophisticated and the number of drivers on the road increases. Moreover, state regulations and insurance laws are constantly evolving. Each state has its own set of rules and requirements for car insurance, which can affect everything from minimum coverage levels to the types of discounts available. For example, some states have no-fault insurance laws, which require your insurance to cover your own injuries and damages, regardless of who is at fault in an accident. Other states may have different requirements for liability coverage or uninsured motorist protection. Staying updated on these regulations is essential for ensuring that your policy complies with state laws and provides the necessary protection. It's crucial to stay informed about changes in your state that might affect your coverage requirements or premiums. Regularly checking news updates, subscribing to insurance newsletters, or consulting with your insurance agent can help you stay on top of any new laws or regulations. This proactive approach can prevent any surprises when it's time to renew your policy and can help you make informed decisions about your coverage. Being aware of these changes can also open up opportunities to take advantage of new discounts or coverage options that may become available. Be proactive in reviewing your policy annually or whenever there's a significant life change to ensure you have adequate coverage at a competitive price. Life changes such as getting married, buying a new car, or moving to a different state can all impact your insurance needs. By regularly reviewing your policy, you can make sure that you are not overpaying for coverage you no longer need or underinsured for new risks. Consulting with your insurance agent can provide valuable insights and help you adjust your policy to better suit your current situation, ensuring peace of mind and financial protection. Section 8. Saving on car insurance. Tips for the savvy driver. In this section, we'll explore practical strategies to help you save money on your car insurance without sacrificing the coverage you need. Whether you're a new driver or have years of experience, these tips can help you navigate the often confusing world of car insurance. Saving money on car insurance doesn't mean compromising on coverage. It's about being smart and informed. Start by understanding what your policy covers and what it doesn't. This knowledge will empower you to make better decisions and avoid unnecessary costs. Shop around and compare quotes from different insurers to find the best rates. Don't just settle for the first quote you receive. Use online comparison tools to get a broad view of what's available. Sometimes a little research can lead to significant savings. Insurers use different formulas to calculate premiums, so it's essential to compare apples to apples. Make sure you're comparing similar coverage levels and deductibles. This way, you can accurately assess which policy offers the best value for your money. Consider bundling your auto insurance with other policies like home or renter's insurance for discounts. Many insurers offer multi-policy discounts that can reduce your overall insurance costs. It's a simple way to save money while ensuring comprehensive coverage for all your assets. Maintain a good driving record. as this can significantly impact your premiums. Safe driving not only keeps you and others safe on the road, but also demonstrates to insurers that you're a low-risk driver, which can lead to lower rates. Inquire about discounts for safety features in your car, or for completing defensive driving courses. Many insurers offer discounts for vehicles equipped with advanced safety features, or for drivers who have taken steps to improve their driving skills. By being proactive and informed, you can secure the right coverage at a price that fits your budget. Regularly review your policy and stay updated on new discounts or changes in your coverage needs. This ongoing attention to your insurance can lead to continuous savings and peace of mind. Section 9. Take control of your coverage. Drive with confidence. Driving with the right car insurance is empowering. It provides peace of mind knowing you're financially protected in unexpected situations. Take the time to review your current coverage and assess your needs. Don't hesitate to reach out to your insurance agent or company to discuss your options and clarify any doubts. Being informed and proactive about your car insurance ensures you're adequately protected and can navigate the roads with confidence. Remember, having the right coverage is an investment in your financial security and well-being.